guessing fidgets with my sister. This is the first one.
But is it the sloth
Yep, correct.
thing?
Alright. Next one.
Tangle.
Which one though?
How the fuck would I know? Is it? I think it's the bird.
No. So that's a score to me.
Mm.
Alright. Next one.
The hexagonal octagon.
Yeah. Correct. Alright. Next one.
The caterpillar.
Yep. Next one.
The star.
Oh my
Slime
god.
star.
So that's... Alright.
Yeah.
Yes. Next slime.
Don't give it away.
No, you don't know which slime though.
The sparkly slime.
Shit.
Because that's the only one that's got like those lumps in it.
The texture.
Yeah.
Alright, so she got that correct, obviously. Stop eating that. Alright. Next one.
The smelly, what is it? The thing that smells like orange.
Yeah, that's
And
correct.
it's like a dog or something.
A bear, I think.
A bear.
Next.
That banana thing.
Okay, good job. Why the freaking dish keep winning? Next.
That spiky purple pink thing.
Yeah, correct. Alright. Oh. It's coming.
The roll thing.
Shoot. Alright. Next. Slime. Oh,
Hurry up, it's making me claustrophobic.
what does that mean? Scared?
Yeah, because I can't see. The rainbow unicorn slime.
Yeah. That was stuck to my
Oh,
hand.
you put that back in there.
Alright. Yo. Next. What tangle?
The one with the bird.
Shit. Correct. Alright. Next.
My stretchy banana.
Yeah.
Squishy, squishy.
Squitchy. Next.
That rectangle.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Wait for part 2 when I try it.